300 Juliet Whiskey, contact Montreal Terminal on 13285, good day.
3285, 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day.
63, key speed 160 knots or faster until Volax.
160 or faster to Volax, Endeavour 4963.
Montreal Terminal, citation November 300 Juliet Whiskey, 15-7, descending 8,000, we have echo.
300 Juliet Whiskey, Montreal Terminal, roger, plan the ILS 24 left, ATIS is now Foxtrot.
Okay, we'll plan the left and we'll get Foxtrot, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Roger.
Not reported when parallel runways are in use. Simultaneous instrument approaches and simultaneous visual approaches to parallel runways. Inform ATC that you have information Foxtrot. Montreal information Foxtrot, weather at 150 Zulu, wind 320, at 10, visibility 15 miles, 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet, 25,000 feet, temperature minus 1.
Endeavour 4963, contact Montreal Tower now 11193.
3018.
Tower 119.3, Endeavour 4963, good day.
ILS runway 24 left. Landing IFR runways 24 right and 24 left and VFR runway 24 left. Departing runway 24 left.
Runway surface conditions. Runway 24 right. Runway conditions. Roger.
0 Juliet Whiskey has Foxtrot.
Roger. Inuit 755, réduit votre vitesse maintenant 160 nœuds moins.
On réduit 160 moins, Inuit 755.
Roger.
Here's the airport. Go see on the horizon, slightly to our right. You like my French accent? Oui. We go to two. I don't know how to say my numbers in French. Once, dos, I don't know. Tres? No, that's Spanish. Cuatro is Spanish. Oh, I don't know. I need to learn my French.
Breaker 3645, descend out at 8,000, altimeter is 3019.
Send out at 8,000, 3019, breaker 3645.
Roger. Inuit 755, contactez le Tour de Montréal 193.
La Tour de Montréal 193, Inuit 755, bonne journée.
Another 2,000 feet, we'll have to start slowing. To be 250 below 10. Well, I'll start slowing. Make a little video on my phone too. He looks cold out there. I'm gonna go.
300 Juliet Whiskey, descend 6,000.
6,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Breakyard 3645, descend 6,000.
6,000, breakyard 3645.
300 Juliet Whiskey, descend 3,000.
3,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Breakyard 3645, descend 4,000.
Out of 4,000, breaker 3645.
300 Juliet Whiskey, fly heading of 075, you're down vectors to final.
075, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Roger.
I'm gonna go.
Breakyard 3645, fly present heading vectors to final.
Present heading vectors, breaker 3645.
Sure. 0 Juliet Whiskey, right turn heading 150.
150, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Roger.
November 32 on 2,000, descend in 8,000. We got golf.
RJ32, Montreal Terminal, Roger. See the en route gave you a 24 right. Did you want 24 right or 24 left?
24 left, November 32.
RJ32, set up 24 left.
24 left, November 32, next.
Sure. 0 Juliet Whiskey. Whiskey, flighting 210 to join, cleared ILS approach 24 left.
210 to join, cleared ILS 24 left, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Breaker at 3645, flighting 360.
Heading 360, breaker 3645.
Roger. 0 Juliet Whiskey, if you need, you can send it 2,500 for the intercept.
All right, we're looking good. Thank you, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Sure. Breaker at 3645, flighting of 330 to send 3,000.
330 down to 3000, breaker 3645.
0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Montreal Tower on 1199.
199, 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day.
Roger.
All right, 3 green, no red.
Montreal Tower, citation November 300, Juliet Whiskey's ILS 24 left.
About 300 Juliet Whiskey, Montreal Tower, clear to land runway 24 left.
Clear land 24 left, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
All right, lights on. Got to get a little bit slower before we get full flats, but we got a little ways to go, so no rush. And then I believe it's going to be 21.9 for ground. Be a right turn off. Hopefully they'll let us go all the way back to, what is it, Alpha. Let's look here, Alpha 5, which turns into Romeo. All right, speed is good for full flaps. Little crosswind from the right. Which is good for my camera.
Montreal Tower, Charlie 445, holding short of 24 left.
Metro 445 Tower, can you take it on roll traffic 4 miles final?
Yeah, we're taking on the roll, Charlie 445.
Red 445 Roger, contact departures when airborne, clear for takeoff runway 24 left.
Clear for takeoff, 24 left, contact departure in the air, Charlie 445.
Yo Juliet Whiskey, landing clearance is canceled, continue number 1 releasing traffic.
0 Juliet Whiskey.
I want to start slowing since he got one rolling.
Breaker 3645 is 8.5 out for 24 right.
Breaker 3645, Montreal Tower, plan Bravo 4, clear land runway 24 right.
Plan Bravo 4, clear land 24 right, breaker 3645.
I think I see somebody. I don't know if that's them or not. I'm just...
Yo Juliet Whiskey, traffic is rolling, clear land runway 24 left.
Clear land 24 left, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
There he is at that high speed turn on.
500.
Gex.
Autopilot.
All right, autopilot, y'all dams away before landing checks are complete. That little bitty 2-4. Ooh, like butter, baby. Ground flaps.
Yo Juliet Whiskey, backtrack runway 24 left, traffic will be lining up in position waiting for you. Exit Lima and contact ground 1219 when off.
Okay, we'll backtrack and off on Lima, ground point 9 went off, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Mexico 681 Tower, line up runway 24 left and wait. Traffic is backtracking to Lima.
Thank you, line up and wait runway 24 left, Mexico 681.
All right, we'll boogie down.